Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 12, keeping ourselves clean, and today I will deliver its fourth lecture. So my dear students, we are all discussing about avoiding unhealthy habits, staying away from germs, keeping ourselves healthy, and maintaining cleanliness around us and in our environment. So that is how we can keep ourselves and others healthy. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. Quickly tell me, how can we prevent ourselves from germs? By washing our hands, by taking bath every day, by wearing neat and clean clothes, we can maintain or keep ourselves healthy and stay away from germs. So my dear students, now is the time for an activity. So demonstrate and practice cleanliness in the class by asking the students to clean their bags, their desks, chairs, provide each student with a duster cloth. So my dear students, here everybody will pause the video और वीडियो को पॉज करके आप सब ने अपने बैग्स को और अपने क्लासरूम को क्लीन करना है. इसी तरह से आप लोग जितनी देर में अपनी क्लास को क्लीन करेंगे, आई विल ट्राई कि मैं अपने एरिया को नीट एंड क्लीन करूं. So pause the video and clean your bags and your classroom. So I have made my area clean. It's all set up. There is no dust, nothing. I hope you have also made your surroundings and your classroom clean. Now we will move forward. So my dear students, today all the students will be able to identify the ways by which they can keep themselves clean by washing hands before and after meals and after using toilets, clipping and trimming nails, brushing teeth daily, taking bath regularly, etc. So my dear students, आज हम healthy habits जो हैं उनको identify करेंगे. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. And Allah loves those who keep themselves clean and pure. Allah उन लोगों से प्यार करता है जो अपने आप को पाक साफ रखते हैं. So my dear students, let's quickly move towards the pre-reading question. Quickly answer, do you wash your hands before eating? Very nice. Okay, my dear students, now we were discussing about we were reading about Ahmed's story, जिसमें अहमद बीमार हो गया था, germs उसको की वजह से, और फिर जो है अहमद और फहद दोनों फ्रेंड्स थे, दोनों they were sick, they went to the doctor, और डॉक्टर ने उनको बताया था कि the germs have made you ill. Germs are very small living things, they cannot be seen with the naked eye. और उसके बाद उन्होंने उनको कुछ unhealthy habits जो हैं वो दिखाई थी, जैसे कि ये. और उसके बाद डॉक्टर ने उनको बताया था कि जर्म्स जो हैं वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं अगर आप सफाई का ख्याल नहीं रखते. सो सफाई का ख्याल हम कैसे रख सकते हैं? वी विल स्टडी अबाउट दैट टुडे ऑन पेज नंबर 99. क्विकली पॉज द वीडियो एंड ओपन पेज नंबर 99. I hope everybody has opened page number 99. So my dear students, today we will discuss about ways to maintain cleanliness. Ways to maintain cleanliness. To maintain cleanliness, adopt following habits. Brush teeth twice a day. आपने दिन में 2 दफ़ा अपने दांत ब्रश करने हैं, in the morning and before going to bed in the night. Twice a day, that means 2 times a day. Bath daily. रोज नहाएं. Wear clean dress. साफ सुथरे कपड़े पहने because dirty clothes have germs on them. So wear clean clothes, clean dress. Put garbage in dustbin. Put garbage in dustbin. हमेशा कूड़ा जो है उसको डस्टबिन के अंदर फेंकें. In this way there will be no flies and mosquitoes. Trim nails regularly. You must trim your nails once a week. और जुमे को नाखून काटना सुन्नत है नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की. तो कोशिश करें कि आप जो है हर हफ्ते अपने नाखून जुमे के रोज जरूर काटें. Wash hands before and after meal. खाना खाने से पहले और खाना खाने के बाद अपने हाथों को ज़रूर धोएं. So that is how we can maintain cleanliness and we can avoid germs. So इन habits को अपना के, इन habits को keep करके रख के अपने पास हम जो है वो germs से और diseases से दूर रह सकते हैं. So my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you will move towards the writing practice in your books, unit number 12. And question number 4, you will do it in your copies. How can we avoid germs? 3 points. आपको कोई सी 3 हैबिट्स बतानी है या कोई से 3 तरीके बताने हैं जिनसे हम जर्म्स को अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. वॉशिंग हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर मील्स, ट्रिमिंग एंड क्लिपिंग योर नेल्स, टेकिंग बाथ डेली, एंड देन नंबर 4 मैं आपको बहुत सारी बता रही हूँ. Yes, throw the garbage in the dustbin. That is how you can maintain cleanliness and avoid germs. And you will do it in your notebooks, okay? You will do this written question in your notebooks. Now is the time for evaluation. For evaluation, I will ask the listening and speaking question. Listen to it very carefully. Name some of the ways to maintain cleanliness. अभी मैंने आपको बताए हैं कुछ ऐसे तरीके बताएं जिनसे आप सफाई जो है उसको मेंटेन रख सकते हैं, बरकरार रख सकते हैं. Washing your hands before and after meals, washing your hands after coming out of the toilet, taking bath every day, and wear neat and clean clothes, throw the trash in the dustbin, brush your teeth twice daily. That is how you can maintain cleanliness. So my dear students, quickly note down the homework. For homework, you will do home activity number 4. Which of the above mentioned habits do you have in yourself? What is its usefulness? Tell your friends and cousins about it. So my dear students, अभी हमने बहुत सारी अच्छी habits जो हैं वो जिनके बारे में पढ़ा है. आप में उनमें से कौन सी habit है? Think about that. और उससे आपको क्या फ़ायदा होता है? आपने ये बात सोचनी है और फिर उसके बाद आपने अपने फ्रेंड्स और कजन्स को, छोटे बहन भाइयों को, घर वालों को भी इसके बारे में बताना है. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. So what have I learned today? Cleanliness can be observed by different ways, such as washing hands before and after meal, after using toilet, clipping nails, taking bath and brushing teeth regularly. That is how we can keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. So my dear students, I hope you now know that what are the habits we must keep and what are the habits we must avoid. So my dear students, keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.